So, to find the slope of a line given an equation that written in slope-intercept form, okay, just simply identify the numerical coefficient of x. Okay, to find the slope. Or just simply, tingnan mo kung sino yung number na katabi ni x. Iyon na yung magiging slope natin. But before that, identify nyo muna kung naka-y-intercept or naka-slope-intercept siya. So, how to identify if the given equation is written in slope-intercept? Tingnan mo sa left side. Sino yung letter na nasa left side ng equation? Okay, kapag si y lang yung nasa left side, meaning the given equation is written in slope-intercept. O, mas madaling kunin si slope dyan. How to get the slope? Based on the given, okay, our slope-intercept is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the, ano si m? Yung m ang magiging slope. Or just simply, ano yung number na katabi ni x? Iyon ang magiging slope natin. Do you understand? And the constant is serve as the y-intercept. Or yung number lang, iyon yung y-intercept. O, let us try an example. For number 1, the given is y is equal to negative 2x plus 12. What is the numerical coefficient of x? Negative 2. Therefore, negative 2 is our slope. And what is the y-intercept? Very good. Question. Number 2. What is the slope? 3. And what is the y-intercept? Number 3. What is the slope? Negative 2 over 5 or just simply negative 2 pip. And what is the y-intercept? Positive. Number 4. What is the slope? And what is the y-intercept? And for number 5, the slope is? And the y-intercept is? Do you understand?